Hello friends, in this presentation we'll solve one more gate previous year's question. And the concepts involved in this question is functions and pointers. So hope you are excited. So let's try to solve it. So in this question basically uh, there are two functions f1 and f2. So to make it easy we'll divide this code into pieces. So let's solve first f1 function followed by f2. Okay, right. So we'll highlight this f1 function. Okay, now we are solving f1 function. In the main method we have a equal to 4, b equal to 5 and c equal to 6. Okay, and I'm passing f1 of a comma b. This is a function call, that is f of 4 comma 5. f1 of 4 comma 5 will be passed to this f1 function. That is, now a and b of this f1 function will contain the values 4 and 5, and there is one more variable c, that and we have c equal to a equal to b and b equal to c. What will happen with this? So a equal to 4 and b equal to 5 right now, right? Now if c equal to a, that is c will become 4, and if a equal to b, a will become 5, and if b equal to c, that is c is already updated to 4, now b will also be changed to 4. Now simply this has been, the a and b values are been swapped to 5 and 4 from 4 and 5, but there is a catch here that you should not miss. See, a and b are local variables of this f1 function. A, B, C are local variables of this f1 function, and A, B, C are local variables of this main function. So whatever the changes that you perform here is no way affected to the main function variables. So simply they have given this function just to confuse you. Okay, so even the function is been executed, it will not affect the main function at all. So because there are local variables and they will be destroyed immediately of the execution of the function. Okay, that's it. Now let's execute this f2 function. Now after execution of the f1 function, control goes to line number 16, that is immediately after the line, that is after the function call. In the function in this f2 function we are passing address b and address c. Now we need to do some workout. So we have we will take separate spaces for address and value. We have a, we have b, and we have c. Let's assume the address of a, b, c or 1000, 2000 and 3000 respectively, and the values of a, b, c are 4, 5 and 6. Okay, the address of ABC or 1000, 2000, 3000, that's 3000 respectively, and the values of ABC are 4, 5, 6. And we are passing the address of B and C, that is we are passing 2000 and 3000 to the function definition of f2, that is A and B or pointer variables. As we have declared, whenever we are passing address, obviously we will be declaring pointers in the function definition. Now A and B are the pointer variables that contains address of B and C, that is star a is nothing but the value b, star b is nothing but the value c, because we have passed address. In the previous f1 function we have directly passed values, but here we are directly passing address. The changes will be reflected. Okay, so we have c. So let's execute this one by one. See, we have into c, that is local variables, that's c equal to star a, c equal to star a. What is a? A is nothing but address of b that we have passed, that is address of b is nothing but 2000. Okay, so point to the address 2000. What is present in the address 2000? That is nothing but 5. So don't confuse of what a, b, c, just look at the address. Okay, so c is nothing but 5. Now what is star a? Star of a is equal to star of a. A is nothing but address of b, that is star of 2000. So 2000 is nothing but the value of c, address of 2000 is nothing but the value of b. So b will be updated to address of b will be updated to address of b. What is star b? Star b is nothing but address of c. What is c? So star b is simply nothing but the c value, that is address of c is we have passed to star b, that is b will be updated to 6, that star a is nothing but 6. So star b is nothing but 6 and star a is nothing but b. So star a and star b, as we have passed addresses, will represent b and c of the main function. Okay, now star b, what is star b here? Star b, so b is nothing but address of c, so b is receiving the c's address. So what is c's address? That is 3000. So okay, so star of 3000, star of 3000 is nothing but, what is star of 3000? That is pointing to the location of c variable c. Star of 3000 is equals to c, that is c is already 5. C is already updated to 5 in the first statement. Now finally the value of c is 5 and b is 6, and the second b has become 6, and again with this statement star b equal to c, b has been changed to 5. If you observe, the values of b and c has been swapped now, but in the previous function values are not swapped and changes are not affected, but here changes are affected because it is pointer's address has been passed. So that is nothing but call by reference. In the previous function call, it is call by value. Okay, now we have c minus a minus b, so a remain unaffected, a will be just 4 only. Okay, so c and b are affected, and that change will also reflect in the variables of the main function. So c is 5, so 5 minus 6 minus 4, that is nothing but 5 minus 10 will be minus 5. So if you execute this program, okay, output is minus 5. So the thumb rule here is that if you pass local variables, if you just pass variables, even the names are same, the changes will not be affected in the main function. That is a catch here. But if you pass pointers and address, then the changes will be carried to the main function. So if you know that logic, then you can able to solve this problem. Okay, that's it. Okay friends, that's it for now, and thank you for watching this presentation. See you in the next presentation. Bye bye.